Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to see who favorited your picture on VSCO. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to go to Play Store and just simply install the VSCO app in your cell phone. After that simply open the VSCO app, and now here when you open this, simply you can see there are many pictures available here. So just you can see when you open this picture, so here you can see that you can also like this picture. Even you can see your favorite pictures here, like if you have selected. Now we have to check who favorited your picture on VSCO. Simply just you have to go to these buttons, and after that here you can see favorites. So simply when you go here, so here you will find the favorite pictures, and there is another option. Just you have to go to notification, and when someone favorite your picture, so simply you will find the notification here. So in this way you can check who favorited your picture on VSCO.